So let's review once more how to find the slope when you're given two coordinate points. The formula here at the top is given to you. So slope, we use the letter m. It's equal to rise over run, or the difference in the y values divided by the difference in the x values. So if we look at this first one, we're supposed to find the slope of the line that passes through each pair of points. So this first coordinate pair is one xy pair of information, and then we have a second xy pair of information. And to find slope, m equals, we'll set up our fraction bar. We can take the second y value and subtract the first y value. So -7 minus -19. And then we can take the second x value and subtract the first x value, and that information goes in the denominator of the fraction, -2 minus 1. So now we just have to simplify this. -7 minus a -19, that's like adding a positive 19. So -7 plus 19 is a positive 12. And -2 minus 1 is -3. And then if we look at this fraction here of 12 divided by -3, -3 does divide evenly into 12, so we can just do that division. A positive number divided by a negative number will give a negative result, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So you're going to try some other slope problems, but before you do that, let's look at one problem on the back. So on the back, we're reviewing some solving that will help us to find y-intercept. So for these problems, it says to solve for b in each linear equation below when x and y have the values given. So for this first one, we have y equals 14x plus b, and we're going to use the coordinate pair 5, 8, so an x of 5 and a y of 8, to help us find the b. So we're going to substitute the 8 in place of y, so 8 equals 14, and we're going to replace the x with 5, so in parentheses we'll put 5 and then plus b. Then our next step is a multiplication step, and 14 times 5 is 70, and then rewriting we have 8 equals 70 plus b, and now we just have to solve. The 70 is being added to b, so we'll subtract 70 on both sides. And 8 minus 70 is -62, and that's equal to b.